How do I equalize the scales of the x-axis and y-axis? How do I create a plot where the scales of x-axis and y-axis are the same? This equal ratio should be maintained even if I change the window size. Currently, my graph scales together with the window size. I tried.
Try something like use axis.set_aspect in the following manner. Works well for me.
See the documentation on plt.axis. This doesn't work because it changes the limits of the axis to make circles appear circular. What you want is this creates a square plot with equal axes.
Multiple channels, so inserting